Today's writing is all about the weather. It's nothing to do with bears today. We're going to start a little book, so over the next few weeks we could just once a week write the weather in it. So I've got a piece of paper. I'm going to trim off this jiggly bit later, but I just tore it out of my book. So I'm going to make it into a little book just by folding it in half like that. We do that quite often at school, don't we? We make a little booklet. So we're going to write the front page so that other people know what it's all about. So we're going to write the weather in the middle of our page. Shall I write it on this? So that would be quite nice, wouldn't I? And then you can see what I mean. So I'm going to start with the in the middle at the top, the. And then I'm going to have to write a little bit smaller and make sure I start at the side when I write weather, because weather is quite a long word. Look. So look, it's quite a long word and I've got to fit it into that little space. So I'm going to have to write a little bit smaller. The weather. There we are. So now I've got a title at the front of my page, and I have to say it's not very exciting. So you've probably got felt tips or colours or all those sort of things. I'm not sure where mine are. I might have to have a little look. But you could do a cloud to decorate it, or the sunshine. What else could be in the weather? Some lightning. Some lightning and some rain. Like that. You could go, oh, you could go mad and have it really looking gorgeous. So, today's writing, that's just for fun. Today's writing, we're going to write things inside about today's weather. Now I'm looking out the window and it's a little bit sunny at the moment, but it is very cold. So we could write the day. So today is Wednesday. It always seems to be Wednesday, because we write Wednesday, and last time I did a video and wrote the date, it was Wednesday. So, Wednesday, and it's the 6th. So I'm going to write it like that. The 6th, Wednesday the 6th. So I could write that at the top of my first page, and then underneath I'm going to write a sentence about to inform somebody. That means to tell them about what the weather is today. So today's weather, it is cold. It is cold. Be careful when you're writing cold that you don't, it's a bit like polar bear. It isn't like blow the snow. It's not one of those. It's on its own. It is cold. And then if it was raining or if it was foggy, you could write that as well. So see what you can do in your book, and then you could draw a line underneath today's bit of weather. So if you write it here and you finish,